there, it's Sano, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Today, instead of my usual nearby store, I visited IKEA Tokyo Bay. I was eager to see the new product, so I made the trip.
In Japan, the arrival times for new items vary significantly by store. For new products, especially, I recommend checking stock on the website before heading to the store. So let's dive into the new items for June and some purchases I've made.
This is the famous Billy bookcase from IKEA.
A new add-on desk has been introduced for Billy. You can pull it out to expand your workspace. Just a side note, the storage setup around this laptop is fantastic. Cable management and storing a lint roller in a vase are great ideas. Back to the desk, you can pull it out with one hand, which is quite convenient. This is its fully extended state, providing ample workspace. It's lightweight, and the legs extend with it for stability. Here you can see it fully extended and closed. In a previous video, I introduced a new sofa that I finally got to see in person. It's reasonably priced and compact. Being a modular sofa, you can configure it as you like with armrests or in a row. What I love is that the covers are washable. Sofa wrinkles can make things look a bit too lived in, but this sofa resists that. It has a firm, modern look with a sturdy backrest. It's available in 3 colors currently. You can find the series name on various country websites, so it should be released soon. The legs are thin but stand 20 centimeters tall, giving it a sleek appearance. The side table displayed next to it matches perfectly, giving it a hotel-like feel. Next up is a side table I've been eyeing. It's affordable and very charming. The curved legs give it a cute appearance. Available in black and green, it's perfect for a balcony. The orange BJÖRKÅSEN side table was also on display. Its adjustable height and angle make it very useful in our home. Next, let's look at new colors for IKEA's classic baskets. They now come in dark gray and green. The dark gray almost looks black. I'm not sure if it's new or if I'm just forgetting. If anyone remembers, let me know. Here's the green, a vibrant, high saturation shade. So I bought the dark gray one. RISATORP baskets often come and go in various colors depending on the season. It's possible that the black one I'm remembering was from another brand. The matte texture is lovely. I think it would look great holding white items like toilet paper. Up next is a Bluetooth speaker I purchased. IKEA offers several Bluetooth speakers, including a new one with a penguin design for kids. This footage is from Singapore when I was wishing for this item. It typically arrives in Japan about 6 months later, likely due to certification processes. This speaker comes with a power cable, but a separate battery is available for portability. As it says on the box, generation free. This speaker design has been available at IKEA for a while. This design is thought to homage a famous speaker design. IKEA offers it at a great price. Here's the separate battery. The sound quality is excellent for the price. Reviews from various countries say it's better than expected. It also comes in matte black, which looks very sleek. You can use it with or without the handle depending on your preference. Overall, it's a stylish and recommended item. Back at the store, let's continue with the new items. Here's a very charming candle holder. I was really looking forward to this series. The red one is designed to look like a tulip. I wanted the white and black ones, but they don't seem to be available in Japan. I say this every time, sorry if it sounds like complaining. There are several beautiful blue items. Here's a vase, perfect for those who love mid-century or retro pop interiors. Another item that caught my eye is this tray, or decorative plate, inspired by a lake with ripple-like patterns. The deep blue color is stunning. Not too flashy, but very elegant. Seeing it in person, I was really impressed. It's in the decoration section with candles and other items, so be sure to check it out in the store. Here's another item with a beautiful blue color. A large clock that can be wall-mounted or placed on a surface. Inside, it has shelves. The door has a magnetic closure that is quite strong. This design is well known at IKEA, and in Taiwan, there's even a monument of it outside the store. The room sets at the Tokyo-based store were fantastic. The leather sofa really stood out, and the surrounding items in natural materials and beige tones were adorable. I also saw my current favorite throw blanket. The wall shelf setup with glasses was very stylish. Since I don't usually visit this store, there was so much to see that my camera battery ran out midway. Sorry for the shaky phone footage. In the kitchen section, I found an interesting new product. Can you guess what it is? It's a basket for storing vegetables, complete with a lid. It's quite unique and seems to offer good ventilation. It would be perfect for storing potatoes or other vegetables. Another fascinating new item was this black glass container. It seems designed to store items that need to be kept away from light. It might also be useful for easy labeling. I bought these new chopstick rests. They might be exclusive to Japan and Korea. I had a bad feeling about this because IKEA labels often leave sticky residue on the products. Fortunately, this time it wasn't too bad, so I quickly washed them. You have to wash them before use anyway, right? So I gave them a quick wash and used some alcohol to remove the stubborn residue. They are made of bamboo, which looks natural and beautiful. I'll use them and share my thoughts in a future review. IKEA cables are generally pretty good, and I found a new design that I really liked. It's a very bright and charming orange and pink stripe. I bought the Type-C to Lightning cable for my kid's iPad. This cable is Apple certified. IKEA cables are known for being fabric wrapped and very durable. With most cables being white, it's hard to tell them apart. Having a noticeable color makes it easier for kids to identify which cable is theirs. I went to IKEA with a friend who's an avid camper, and they highly recommended this foldable table set. It's made of steel and the price is quite reasonable. The mesh design makes it lightweight and prevents rainwater from accumulating. You get both the chairs and table for this price, which is a great deal. In the USA, this barbecue grill is available at a discounted price. I've never been camping, so I have no idea how to use this. How about you all? Any campers out there? It comes with this inner container and the lower tray for this price. It's quite impressive. This time I visited IKEA Tokyo Bay. Where are you watching this video from? I'd love to hear from you in the comments.
Thank you for watching until the end.